Sick of Figma's annoying one-file limit? Want unlimited files without paying a single cent? Well, I have been a web designer using Figma for 2 years, and today, I'm about to show you a trick that Figma doesn't want you to know. And the best part? It takes less than 2 minutes. Let's get started. So if you're on Figma's free plan, you probably ran into this annoying problem. Boom! You hit the one file limit, and it used to be 3 files, but not it's only one, and Figma is like, getting more files is easy, just give us money. But guess what? We're not doing that. Instead, we're going to bypass this completely for free. Here's the hack. Go to Figma's community tab and search for any free file. It could be a wireframe, a UI kit, or literally anything. Click Open in Figma. And boom! It's now saved in your library. Now, all you need to do is delete everything inside the file. Just select all and hit delete. Rename it to whatever you want, and guess what? You now have a brand new project file without any limits. Repeat this as many times as you want. Unlimited files, no upgrade needed. Mind blown? If this helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more crazy design hacks. See you in the next one. Blast off.